My name is Pritish Behuria. I'm a senior lecturer in politics, governance and development at the University of Manchester's Global Development Institute. I'm also the pathway lead for the MSc Research Methods with International Development. This course's key strength is really in terms of its methodological training, and across the school, leading academics will engage with students about key methodological aspects relevant to international development. This is important both for future research careers, but also in terms of research-intensive careers professionally, working globally in international development. Since GDI is one of the world's leading centers in the study of global development, one of our key aims is to provide students with methodological training, working in academic and professional careers further, and to get them to think critically about the methodological training that is currently used in international development.
My name is Natalie and I'm studying on the MSc Research Methods with International Development at the Global Development Institute. I came to GDI for my studies mainly because of the diversity of researchers at GDI. There's some really amazing research going on, especially in the field of environment and development, which is what I'm interested in. But GDI also has a real focus on multidisciplinary research, and as someone with an interdisciplinary background, that's something I found really valuable and really drew me to GDI.
As part of the degree, you come across a range of methodologies relevant to international development, and that helps students usually go on in their professional careers, whatever that may be, working in NGOs, in development research, in aid organizations. But of course, the key element of this program is to help students think about whether they want to pursue further academic research careers. And many of our students have gone on to successful PhDs and successful academic careers.
My name's Anna. I completed the MSc Research Methods of International Development in 2021, and I have since gone on to start a PhD at the GDI studying Nigerian fiscal federalism through the lens of socio-political and historical factors. The main reason, what really attracted me to the course, was that it allowed me to combine research methods with my own subject area. So I was able to study a balance of the research-centered modules with the modules on political economy, on development. And I think that that's something is missing in a lot of university courses, and I really liked that it was able to give me a good grounding in research and then be able to connect theory, real-world scenarios and methods in a way that allows you to tackle problems in a much more multidimensional perspective.
After I finish this course, I'm continuing on to do a PhD at GDI. So the course has provided me with very rigorous methodological training, and I feel really prepared now to start preparing my own projects, moving forward with that knowledge. And it's also provided me with a nice introduction to GDI through the international development aspects of the course. So I feel really ready now to take that next step in September.
The one thing I would say is that I have chosen to go into research and do a PhD. However, I know a number of colleagues on my course that use their degree to then go on and work as policy advisors in think tanks and other research institutes. So I'd say for those who are unsure about what they want to do post-degree, that this is still a really valuable degree to have, because it gives you a really good grounding in so many different research methods, how to approach research. So even if you decide not to go into an academic career, I think that will give you so many valuable skills once you've completed it.